do this bow. This is a 4-inch Cantus leaf, maybe. It's really pretty. It's a burgundy color. Burgundy color. I'm gonna freehand this bow here. I love lots of tails. I'm gonna make a really big bow. I'm just doing several loops, lots of tails. I'm going to do this green velvet that is absolutely beautiful. It's a 1.5 inch. It's a, I think this is called a hunter green. Not sure. Need a tail. I'm going to leave a tail on this. Another tail. And then I'm going to come in with my gold. Two loops. I'm going to do another tail. Lots of tails here. Gonna add my zip tie, and then I'm gonna attach it to this. I'm gonna do a chenille stem on top of the zip tie just because it's gonna help me turn this better than a zip tie. I'm gonna finish zip tying that off. I'm gonna cut my tails.